You used to cuddle with me when you were stressed out. Now you just talk to it. Artificial intelligence is changing how we work, how we communicate, and how we make decisions. We've heard insights from all the experts. Industries have adapted, but perhaps we've missed one important perspective. Today, on Insights into Automation, I interview my dog. I'll admit I was initially skeptical of your inclusion here. What concern could a dog possibly have about artificial intelligence? You. I'm concerned about you. Yes, well, I'm referring more specifically to AI. So am I. In what sense? You spend more time talking to machines than to people. I would call that efficiency. You used to go outside. I still go outside. Not like before. Well, I think what you're describing is progress. We have access to more information, more tools. You ask it questions. You won't even ask your friends. I ask it better questions. You trust its answers more than people. I think people are often less reliable. And yet you believe AI because it crafts confident sentences. Surely you're not suggesting that AI is harmful? No, I'm suggesting you're using it to avoid things. I think that's a bit of an overstatement. You don't pet me as much anymore. That's not. That's completely unrelated. It isn't. What? Would you suggest that I simply stop using AI altogether? No. You could actually use it to be more efficient, so you have time for what's important, like taking me for a walk.
Insights into Automation is brought to you by Workload. Workload. Work smarter. Visit workload.co for more information.